हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। IA 1239/2020 and IA 484/2021 have been filed by the resolution professional under section 60 in bracket 5 bracket out of the insolvency and bankruptcy code against the respondent comma writer information management services private limited full stop. The respondent company was providing record management services and record retrieval services to the corporate debtor company. Full stop para. IA 1628/2021 has been filed by the writer Business Services Private Limited in bracket respondent in the IA 484/2021 and IA 1239/2020 bracket out against the resolution professional full stop. Facts in the IA as mentioned by the applicant itself is the same as filed by the applicant as a respondent in IA 1239/2020 and IA 484/2021 full stop para. The corporate debtor Messrs. Cox and Kings Limited is an international leisure travel company which had operations in 23 countries full stop. The corporate debtor distributed its products and services through 241 points of presence covering 131 cities across 24 states comprising of 12 branch sales offices, franchisee sales shops and agents full stop. The corporate debtor used the data management software including ERP and had integrated its computer reservation systems in bracket CRS bracket out full stop. Para. The respondent Messrs. Writer Information Management Services Private Limited has provided para. First, management of the records and documents of the corporate debtor in bracket record management services bracket out and second, retrieving the records and documents of the corporate debtor in bracket record retrieval services bracket out full stop. The data available with the respondent is critical for the corporate debtor company as well as the RP for their functioning and also to assess the true financial position of the corporate debtor company full stop para. The RP mentions that the respondent company has blocked the access of the RP to the record management services by refusing to provide the RP the list of business records and information of the company that are stored by it full stop. Further, the respondent has refused to provide record retrieval services until the corporate debtor company makes payment as 100% advance full stop. The above arrangement of corporate debtor and the respondent is as a result of agreement dated 15/1/2007 where at Annexure 3 to the agreement the payment procedure has been prescribed full stop. As per the payment procedure prescribed under the agreement, the invoices for services rendered by the respondent in a calendar month for each location would have to be submitted to the corporate debtor before the 7th day of the next calendar month, and the corporate debtor was liable to make payment of the invoices within 15 days of their receipt by a crossed check payable at Mumbai full stop para. The CIRP of the corporate debtor company commenced on 22/10/2019 and IRP of the corporate debtor invited claim under the IBC full stop. On 6/11/2019, the respondent company submitted its claim in Form B under Regulation 7 of the Corporate Insolvency Resolution Process of corporate person raising a claim of about rupees 24.60 lakhs against the corporate debtor full stop over। तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो चुका है, ठीक है। 500 वर्ड्स है, 100 प्लस की स्पीड है, ठीक है। और बताइएगा इसको लेके कैसा लगा, क्या डिक्टेशन है, कैसा मतलब कमेंट वगैरह। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते जाइएगा। इसमें कोई नाम वाम कुछ भी नहीं आया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो सिंपल मैटर है, ठीक है। स्पीड को फ्लक्चुएट किया है हमने, इसको चेक करके बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, और सब्सक्राइब वगैरह करते जाओ यार, ठीक है। चलिए फिर मिलेंगे अगले डिक्टेशन में। कुछ कमेंट्स के आंसर्स भी देने हैं, वो हम देंगे, ठीक है। और वो कुछ वीडियोस इंपॉर्टेंट बनानी है, वो हम बना के आपको दे देंगे। आप परेशान मत होइए, आप डिक्टेशन लिखते रहिए बस। थैंक यू सो मच।